There are so many different perspectives going on in the world right now, aren't there? Different ideas about what's true and what's not, what's good and what's bad, what's right and what's wrong, whether we're going forward or whether everything's just falling apart. It's difficult sometimes to have conversations when people are looking at different realities, even with our family members and our friends. Healing in our world begins with understanding and acceptance. And that begins with understanding and accepting ourselves. When we can be more present with ourselves, we can be more present with the person in front of us. On Sunday, we're going to go through an experience to give us a glimpse at a process available that might allow you to be more present for both yourself and the person you're talking with when they have different ideas about what's true and right and good. I look forward to seeing you. Be well.